So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get YouTube account QR code on your mobile phone. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your YouTube application for real quick, and then on the bottom right side corner, you will probably see the profile icon. So simply tap on the profile, and then you need to scroll these options to the right, and you will probably get the share channel option right over here. So tap on the share channel and you will get the QR code. So simply tap on this option, and now simply tap on save to camera roll. So tap on this option and it will try to save, and as you can see, image saved. So let me just go back to the gallery to show you the photo. There you go. So that's how you can simply get YouTube account QR code on your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll catch you next time.